If Rolls-Royce is the ultimate symbol of luxury, then the Cullinan LINEA D'ARABO by Mansory is a definitive statement of absolute power. Far more than just an SUV, this is a moving masterpiece of art. The most striking highlight is the forged carbon exterior, intricately engraved with exquisite Arabic calligraphy. This fusion of cutting-edge material technology and mystical cultural heritage creates a one-of-a-kind appearance, making the vehicle shine like a black diamond in the heart of the desert. Do not let its breathtaking elegance fool you. Under the hood lies a precision-tuned 6.75-liter V12 engine, delivering a massive 610 horsepower and 950 newton-meters of torque. This nearly 3-ton palace on wheels can rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds. Stepping into the cabin is like entering a private world of luxury, featuring premium leather, consistent LINEA D'ARABO motifs, and the magical Starlight headliner. Every detail, from the mini fridge to the fine crystal glasses, is handcrafted to serve the most elite owners. The 2027 Mansory Cullinan is not just a car, it is a symbol of unrivaled status.